Little one, I know how overwhelming studying can feel sometimes. Whether it's cramming for exams or staying on top of assignments, it can all get a little too much. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, these are things that have helped me, and I'm sure they'll help you too. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's dive into these simple yet effective study strategies that'll boost your focus, memory, and motivation. Ready? Let's go. 1. Create a routine. It doesn't have to be super strict, but having a routine helps. Try setting aside certain times of the day for study and stick to it as much as you can. It's like building a habit, and it makes things less stressful. 2. Find your focus time. We all have that one time during the day when we're most alert. Try to study during that window if you can. It'll help you absorb more info faster. 3. Take breaks. Don't try to study for hours straight. It's not productive. Every 25-30 minutes, take a short break, stretch, grab a snack, walk around a little. Your brain needs those moments to reset. 4. Use active recall. This is my favorite one. Instead of just rereading notes, quiz yourself on what you remember. Ask yourself questions, or try explaining the concept like you're teaching someone else. It really helps to strengthen your memory. 4. Stay organized. Keep your notes and materials neat. It makes finding things later on way easier. And try using highlighters, sticky notes, or color coding to organize important info. 5. Get rid of distractions. Try to study in a quiet place and put your phone in another room. I know it's hard, but it'll help a lot. If you can't avoid it, use apps that block distracting sites while you study. Understand the concepts. Don't just memorize. If you focus on grasping the why and how behind concepts, you won't just memorize, but you'll be able to apply them in different contexts. 7. Use real-world examples. Sometimes science can feel abstract, but it's all around us. Try to relate what you're learning to everyday situations. For example, think of physics while playing a sport, or biology when studying nature. It makes the content much more interesting and relevant. 8. Use flashcards. Create flashcards for quick revision, especially for facts, formulas, or vocabulary. You can even use apps like Anki or Quizlet. 9. Stay consistent. Rather than cramming at the last minute, study a little every day. Consistency helps you retain more information in the long run. 10. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one subject at a time. Multitasking may seem efficient, but it actually decreases concentration. 11. Group study. Sometimes discussing with friends can help clarify difficult concepts, but make sure you stay on track. 12. Summarize what you learn. After each study session, quickly summarize the key points. It helps reinforce what you've learned. 13. Review regularly. Go over your notes regularly, even when exams are far off. This makes the material stick in your long-term memory. 14. Set a timer. Set a timer for each study session. It creates a sense of urgency, and when the timer goes off, you can enjoy a break. 15. Use mnemonics. For hard-to-remember facts, create rhymes or acronyms that make it easier to recall information. 16. Break study sessions into topics. Instead of studying a huge subject all at once, divide it into smaller topics. It feels less overwhelming and more achievable. 17. Believe in your progress. It's okay to feel stuck sometimes, but don't let that stop you. Celebrate your small victories and keep moving forward. 18. Stay away from social media. It's tempting, I know, but social media is a major distraction. Use apps that block distractions if you need help. 19. Teach someone else. If you can explain it to someone else, you've truly mastered it. Try teaching a friend or even your pet. 20. Reward yourself. After a productive study session, reward yourself with a treat or an activity you enjoy. It helps keep you motivated. Remember, I'm always here to help if you need anything, whether it's going over something you don't get or just needing a break. You've got all the tools to succeed. Just keep going. Love you and good luck.
This is our